the House of Representatives has established an impeachment secretariat to support public prosecutors in the trial against Vice President Sara Duterte. House Secretary General Reginald Velasco issued a directive for various units to provide logistics, research, and documentation assistance to ensure a smooth trial. Representative Joel Chua welcomed the move, saying it would strengthen the prosecution's preparations. Chua also warned that delays could compromise evidence and intimidate witnesses.
Kami naman po kasi, kaya naman po namin gusto na ito pong impeachment ay masimulan na. Dahil alam po ninyo, syempre tinitignan din po namin yung mga ebidensya na nakalakap po namin, yung tampering of evidence. Isa po yan. Pangalawa po, yung mga testigo po natin, syempre alam po natin, baka mamaya pag tumatagal, medyo marami po dyan ang matakot. Habang tumatagal po ang trial, ang pagsisimula ng impeachment, nanganganib po yung mga ebidensya po namin at yung mga testigo po namin.